It is super important to optimize images so that your site loads faster, uses less bandwidth, and still looks crisp on every screen. Unoptimized high-resolution images are a leading contributor to slow page performance and longer load times. By resizing and compressing images, you can reduce the file size while preserving the visual quality. It is encouraged to keep file sizes under 500 kilobytes each. There are a lot of methods you can use to resize images. You can use free online tools, image editors, or web-based services to resize and compress images before uploading it to your site. On a Mac computer, you can use the Preview app. Open the image in Preview and then make your way to Tools and click Adjust Size. And then, for example, we can go ahead and change the width to 1600 pixels. At the bottom, we will see the file size reduced from 2.5 megabytes to 631 kilobytes. And if you are using Windows, you can use Microsoft Paint or the Photos app. In this example, I will use the Photos app. Once you open the photo, click the three vertical dots top left, select Resize Image, and in this example, we'll change the width to 1200 pixels. And then we will see the size shrunk from 1.1 megabytes to 192 kilobytes. And remember to save your changes. It is important to highlight that hero images or featured images should be at least 1600 pixels wide. And content images inside your posts or pages should be at least 1200 pixels wide. And thumbnails and smaller images should be at least 600 pixels wide. You will be happy to know that WordPress.com's Site Accelerator helps your pages load faster by automatically optimizing images and serving them through our global CDN or content delivery network so they load faster worldwide. But it is still a good idea to optimize images before uploading them to your media library to reduce storage and to improve site performance. And that's it. Optimizing images boosts your site's speed, reduces storage usage, and improves SEO.